Welcome to my channel. Hello fellas, welcome. My name is V. Today we are going to learn introduction in Indonesian. I'll teach you how to introduce yourself in Bahasa Indonesia. So, let's get started without any further ado, shall we? First of all, we can start with the very formal way to introduce ourselves, alright? You could say, nama saya, which means, my name is. My name is. Nama saya. Nama saya. Nama saya V. Nama saya V. Got it? Simple. You also could say casually, namaku. Namaku. Namaku, as my name is. It's kinda poetic to say something like that. You could find that kinda introduction on novels, but it's not really strange for me because I say that pretty often when I introduce myself to another Indonesians. So it is actually grammatically correct. Or you know what? You also could say just simply saya or aku. Like you say, I am V. So it's gonna be like saya V. Saya V. Or in friendly conversation, it could be aku V. Got it? After that, the sentence, you can call me. Oh wow, that will be pretty formal to say, Anda bisa memanggil saya. Anda bisa memanggil saya. Well, let's just go to the casual way to say that, alright? We could say simply, biasa dipanggil, which means people usually call me as. So repeat after me. Biasa dipanggil. Again. Biasa dipanggil. Okay? So, my name is, you can call me. In the very formal situation, you could say, nama saya Shelvia, Anda bisa memanggil saya V. And then in the casual way, you could just say, aku Shelvia, biasa dipanggil V. Or if you prefer to be very simple, you also could say, aku Shelvia, panggil saja V. Aku Shelvia, panggil saja V. In English, that's something like, I'm Shelvia, just call me V. Okay, you need to ask them back, what is your name? You could say, siapa namamu? Siapa namamu? Okay, repeat after me. Siapa namamu? Siapa namamu? That really makes me wondering all the time, you know. In English, you ask what? But here, you ask who. Basically, if you translate that word by word, it would be, who is your name? Which is wrong in English sentence structure, because a name is a noun. But here in Indonesia, it doesn't work that way. We say siapa instead of apa, because when you say apa for asking names, it could be makes us felt disrespect by you. It considered disrespect from you to us, you know. So you have to ask, siapa nama kamu? Siapa nama kamu? Siapa namamu? Okay, move on. And then the sentence, where are you from? In very formal way, you could say, dari mana kamu berasal? But it sounds like you're talking with a robot or something. We don't say that way. We say in short as asal mana or dari mana. Asal mana, dari mana. Actually, the question dari mana is really ambiguous. Depend on the situations. It could be mean, where have you been? Or where were you going? Or like in this case, where are you from? So you better ask asal mana for the question where are you from then. Or if you still want to use dari mana, you could add it with negara, which is country. So you could say, which country are you from? Dari negara mana? Dari negara mana? To answer that, you simply just say, aku dari. Aku dari, and then mention your country. Simple. Aku dari Indonesia. Or simply just mention your country then. You know what? We don't really say something like nice to meet you or good to know you. Because whenever you find the sentence senang berkenalan dengan Anda, you must find it in the novels or subtitles. We don't say something like that. That's not because we are not friendly or kind. We are just not used to saying it. Maybe some of us say it, and believe me, someone who says it is used to interacting with foreigners. And if you want to say it, it will be totally fine. We will just feel strange to hear it, you know. Maybe our reaction will be just smiling, not only to respond you and happy to hear it, also we feel amused because we don't really say that. Okay, so you could say senang berkenalan dengan Anda or senang bertemu dengan Anda. Okay, so let's review it and everything, guys. Siapa nama kamu? Namaku Shelvia. Panggil saja V. Asal mana? Indonesia. Super easy, right? Okay, I think that's all. I'll see you next time. And with all full of love regards, V stops chattering.